Hey there! Want to start an online business but don't know where to begin? I've got a shortcut for you. Resell rights let you sell ready-made digital products as your own, without the stress of product creation. Why is this a game changer? Think about it. Writing an ebook, creating an online course, or developing software takes time, effort, and money. But with resell rights, someone else has done the hard work for you. You buy the rights, sell the product, and keep 100% of the profits. What can you sell? Ebooks, online courses, software and plugins, templates and graphics. How do you get started? Pick a high-quality resell rights product, set up a simple sales page, market it online, and watch the sales roll in. If this sounds like the perfect side hustle or even a full-time income for you, check out this resell rights package. Link in description below video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy online business ideas.